You ready, young lady?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
In 2019, I was in 6th grade, and after school, I walked to my friend's house to make slime. We made slime, and mine was a bit better than hers, and it was clear that she was a bit jealous of this, even though it's not that big of a deal. I went to her kitchen to get water. I drank the water, I turned around, and I saw her switching our slimes. So I confronted her, and I said, "Why are you switching our slimes?" And she said that she didn't. And I said she did, and she said it's not that big of a deal. I said, if it's not that big of a deal, why can't I have your slime? And she said no. So we got into a big fight, and she ended up keeping my slime, and I took hers. And my mom picked me up, I walked out, and I just left her slime on the porch because it wasn't as good, and I didn't want her slime. Today, I will tell you guys how to make slime. I'm credible to talk about this because I've made a lot of slime through my lifetime, and it really helped me get through quarantine because it was a great thing to do. The reason you should listen is because it's fun, it's calming, and it's great for your hands. I will first go over the 7 items and then the 6 steps. Now that I've talked about my slime endeavors, I will now go over the items and ingredients needed. First, you need a bowl. I have a red plastic bowl. You could have any bowl. I would say go with plastic or paper because a ceramic or glass bowl can break and you'll be in trouble because once I broke a bowl. And then you need a spoon. I have a plastic spoon. I would recommend a plastic spoon, not silverware, because you eat with silverware, and I don't know. Me personally, I just don't use silverware. And these do break, but I would just get another. And then I have glue. This was 10 cents more, but I thought for my audience, we get the best. So I got the glitter glue rather than the normal white glue. Then I have shaving cream. And I got the aloe for the essence, hoping that it smells better for everyone, because I'm always thinking of the audience. And then I have contact solution. And this is what makes the slime come together. It's like the solution to the problems. It makes it not stick to the bowl and really become slime. Makes it playable. And then I have coloring. You don't need this, and this is $5. But for my audience, I got this, so it would be pretty for the eyes. And lastly, I have a plastic bag. You could use Tupperware, but I got a plastic bag. I normally put in Tupperware, but it doesn't matter. Either one does the job. Now that I've gone over the items and ingredients, I'll now show you the steps. First, you grab your bowl, my red plastic bowl. Then I unscrew the glue, and I dump it in. I'm going to use the whole container because the more the merrier, and the bigger the better. It's not coming out too well. You know what? I'm not going to use the whole container. I'm just going to use this much. Okay. Now that I've done that and I've estimated that amount of the glue, I'll now add the coloring in. What coloring do you want?
Green.
Red.
Blue.
Red.
Blue.
Red.
All of them.
I'll go
All
with
of
red.
them. Wow.
I'm estimating that too because it doesn't really have to be exact. And it's nice because it matches the bowl, so.
Transparent.
Ooh.
It's good to mix it in fully because when you go to touch it with your hands, if you do, then the dye will get on your hands. So now that I've mixed that, I'll now add shaving cream. And the more you add, the fluffier it gets. So I'm just gonna add a lot because I want my slime to be really fluffy. Maybe that was a bit too much, but like I said earlier, the more the merrier, and the bigger the better. So let me mix that in really quick. Okay, now that I've mixed this, I will now add in the contact solution. This is what makes it slime, but you want to only add like a bit in at first because if you add too much, then it will become harder to play with. It will kind of tear apart and it won't be playable or slime-like. It needs more. And once it starts sticking off of the bowl, you can go in with your hands. Okay. I might need a bit more, but last ingredient after contact solution and mixing it with your hands is to put it into the bag.
That's actually a good slide.
The glitter didn't really come out, but you can kind of see it. It's not going into the bag too well, but that's alright. This is the slime I made for the audience today. Now that I've gone over the steps, I will now conclude. I first showed you guys my 7 items and my 6 steps. This is always fun to do, to revisit the past and a good pastime, which I experienced during quarantine. So I hope you guys have learned how to make slime and can use this during your free time.
Good girl.